Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily select multiple chats at once in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also be sure to write your comments. So let us get down to our topic and unscrew the WhatsApp app. Next, you will need to go to the chat section and let's say if you have a lot of chats in WhatsApp, you're actively using them, and you want to, for example, clean up your chats. So you want to delete them or you want to archive them. But if you select one chat at a time, it can take quite a long time. So a very good way out of the situation is to select several chats at once and then do what you want to do with them. To select multiple chats, click on these three dots in the upper left corner. And then select Chats. Now you can select some chats. And once you've checked all the chats that you're interested in, at the bottom you can either archive them or delete them. Do what you feel comfortable with. So if I click Archive, then as you can see, instantly a few chats were moved to the archive. Friends, this is the simple way you can select multiple chats at once in WhatsApp and let them archive or delete them. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments. See you all again.